Hello everyone, this is Drew with Drew Drives at Grubbs Acura in Grapevine, Texas, and today let's go for a drive in the 2025 Acura MDX Tech. So this is the tech package for the 2025. You will have the Bang & Olufsen sound system. Of course, you have the touchscreen with the 2025 MDX, of course, and you have the Google Maps integrated in, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, same as before. Since there's no more true touchpad interface, you have the touchpad down here, and the whole center console has been revised. You still have the nice Milano leather seats, and you have the silver interior trim, and you also have Google Map integration into the gauge cluster, so you could have one of the gauges show up as a map, which I really like. So just go down, yeah, so it'll show the Google Map there if you enable it. And then if you change the cluster to crafted, which I like, it'll be like a circle, which I prefer. Snow, comfort, normal, and sport modes. This has the same motor, 3.5 liter naturally aspirated V6 with 290 horsepower, 267 pound-feet of torque. This is lunar silver metallic. These are the wheels on the 2025 tech package. The top part of the grille doesn't have the frame, but the bottom does. The chrome, it's a crosshatch diamond pentagon grille design. Here are the rear seats, pretty comfortable. AC vents back here. Also, you have power outlet for charging. You also have USB-C inputs or outputs. This one's a front wheel drive. You also have the hands-free access power tailgate on the tech package as well, which is kind of cool. And here's your rear cargo space. Capless fuel filling system. And you even have remote start on the key fob, which was not there on the tech before. Before, the remote start on the key fob was only on the Advance and Type S Advance. But now I believe every single trim, including the tech and above, with the tech package and above, have it, but the base model does not have it. And you still have the Acura Link app, where you can just remote start the vehicle from your phone and do some other remote commands if you would like to do so. I really love the MDX. I've got a 2024 MDX Tech as well, and it's a nice daily driver when I don't want to drive my M3. Really comfortable car. It looks good, drives good, seats are real comfortable. Like, Acura definitely upped their compared to the previous MDX. Before this, it was a huge upgrade for this generation of the MDX. And the tech package is, I would say, like the most value pack trim level. That's why it's like, I'd say it's the most popular, because it's in between all the other trims. The tech package will give you necessary what a lot of people really like a few necessary upgrades over the entry-level model if you would like to get those upgrades, and it has everything you really need. But if you want more, that's when you get the Advance and A-Spec and Type S and all that. But the tech package will you know, be more than enough for most buyers. normal mode. And the touchscreen's nice. Obviously it's easier to use than the touchpad, so it's good that Acura put the touchscreen in the MDX. A lot of people like that. I mean, the touchpad, once you get used to it, it's not bad at all. I don't really mind it all that much, but obviously I would prefer a touchscreen over it, as would most people in general. You also have ambient lighting in the main screen. You don't have to go through the settings and go into accent light theme and all that. You can just access it directly from the main screen, which is good. But yeah, overall it's a very smooth ride. You have adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist. Personally, I would get super handling all-wheel drive, not the front-wheel drive model, because I really like super handling all-wheel drive, and it's important on if you're gonna be using the car to like go to a lot of different places, like if you're gonna go in the mountains or go on you know, not just flat roads, you probably want the all-wheel drive. But that's just me. But even the front-wheel drive is really nice. But yes, overall, this 2025 MDX Tech is a very nice vehicle. It's a great daily driver, especially if you need to haul passengers. But the thing is, like, even if you don't need it for that, it's just a nice car to drive. A lot of three-row SUVs are they're just slow. They have a bad they have like a laggy transmission, and it's just not fun to drive at all. But the MDX, it's pretty enjoyable to drive for what it is. I've always liked the MDX, and I really am a huge believer in this car. But anyways, that is about it. Thank you for watching another video of Drew Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, and be sure to check out the link to Grubbs Acura and Grubbs Family Dealerships in the description below if you'd like to shop for the 2025 MDX.